Welcome, dear viewers, to Puebla, a land where the echoes of a rich and vibrant history intertwine with the breathtaking beauty of the natural world. Here in central Mexico, nestled amongst ancient ruins and bustling cities, lies a tapestry of landscapes as diverse as they are magnificent. From the towering peaks of its volcanoes to the depths of its canyons, Puebla reveals a world teeming with life, a testament to the power and artistry of the natural world. Our journey begins amongst giants in the shadow of Puebla's most iconic landmarks, Popocatépetl and Iztaccíhuatl. These majestic volcanoes, eternally locked in an embrace, dominate the skyline, their snow-capped peaks reaching for the heavens. Popocatépetl, the active one, breathes life into the landscape, its occasional plumes of smoke a reminder of the raw power that lies dormant within. In contrast, Iztaccíhuatl, the sleeping giantess, stands serenely, her slopes cloaked in pine forests and alpine meadows. The surrounding national park, a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts, offers a glimpse into this unique ecosystem. Higher still, we enter the realm of the pine forests, their towering canopies filtering the sunlight, creating an ethereal glow. Here, amongst the whispering pines, we may encounter some of the park's more elusive inhabitants, white-tailed deer, nimble as shadows, or perhaps even a glimpse of the elusive puma. These mountains, steeped in legend and shrouded in mist, offer a glimpse into the raw, untamed beauty of Puebla. We journey now to the southern reaches of Puebla, where the earth cracks open to reveal a hidden marvel, the Cañón del Sumidero. Carved over millennia by the Grijalva River, the canyon walls rise dramatically from the water's edge, a testament to the relentless power of erosion. As we navigate the narrow waterway, the air thick with the calls of unseen birds, a sense of awe and tranquility washes over us. Look closely, and you might spot a troop of spider monkeys, their nimble forms silhouetted against the sky as they swing effortlessly through the canopy. The canyon walls are a haven for bird-life. Brightly colored parrots screech from the treetops, while high above, majestic birds of prey circle patiently. The Cañón del Sumidero, a sanctuary for both wildlife and the soul, offers a glimpse into the untamed heart of Puebla. Our journey takes us now to the heart of the Sierra Norte, where nestled amongst towering pines and whispering oaks lies the enchanting town of Chiñahuapan. Here, amidst the cool mountain air, we discover a different side to Puebla, a place where the soothing warmth of natural hot springs blends seamlessly with the vibrant tapestry of indigenous culture. Chiñahuapan is a place of contrasts, the vibrant colors of traditional crafts lining the cobblestone streets juxtaposed against the verdant greens of the surrounding forests. The Cascadas de Chiñahuapan, a series of cascading waterfalls, tumble down moss-covered rocks, their thunderous roar a symphony of nature's power. We bathe in the warm, mineral-rich waters of the natural hot springs, letting the stress of the outside world melt away. As we relax, we might catch a glimpse of a flock of brightly colored hummingbirds, their iridescent feathers shimmering in the dappled sunlight. Chiñahuapan, a place where nature and culture intertwine, offers a sensory experience unlike any other. We venture deeper into the Sierra Norte, our journey leading us to the charming town of Tlatlauquitepec, a place where time seems to move at a slower pace. The streets are filled with the warm smiles of locals. Here, amidst rolling hills blanketed in a patchwork of emerald green forests and fields, we discover a world of tranquility and natural splendor. The air is crisp and filled with the scent of pine and earth. Tlatlauquitepec is a paradise for nature lovers. Hiking trails beckon the adventurous, crystal-clear rivers fed by countless mountain streams wind their way through the landscape, creating a serene soundtrack of flowing water. Their banks a riot of color thanks to a dazzling array of wildflowers. Each bloom adds to the vibrant tapestry of nature. We follow a winding trail that leads us deeper into the heart of the forest, the canopy overhead forming a verdant tunnel that filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Towering trees, their trunks draped in moss and lichen, stand as silent sentinels, their branches reaching towards the heavens, creating a cathedral of nature. Here, amidst the ferns and fungi, the forest floor is alive with life. We might encounter some of the forest's more elusive inhabitants. A family of peccaries foraging for food, their snouts rooting through the underbrush. Or perhaps, if we're lucky, a glimpse of a brightly colored toucan, its plumage a burst of color against the green backdrop. Tlatlauquitepec, a hidden gem in Puebla's crown, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time, where nature reigns supreme and serenity is found at every turn. Our journey takes us next to the Valle de Atlisco, a verdant valley where the air is sweet with the scent of 1,000 blooms. This valley, nestled in the heart of Mexico, is a hidden gem that offers a sensory experience like no other. Ringed by mountains, the valley unfolds before us like a vibrant tapestry, its slopes painted in 1,000 shades of green, punctuated by the vibrant hues of countless flowers. Each season brings a new palette, transforming the landscape into a living canvas. Known as the City of Flowers, Atlixco is a feast for the senses. The town's rich horticultural heritage is evident in every corner, from the bustling markets to the serene parks. Rows upon rows of greenhouses shimmer in the sunlight, their interiors bursting with a kaleidoscope of colors. Fiery reds, sunny yellows, and delicate pinks. These greenhouses are a testament to the region's dedication to cultivating beauty. The air is thick with the intoxicating perfume of lilies, roses, and geraniums, a sensory overload that is both exhilarating and calming. Each flower tells a story, a testament to the care and passion of the local growers. Hidden amongst its blooms are countless hiking trails winding their way through the surrounding hills, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below. These trails invite exploration and promise discovery at every turn. Butterflies, their wings painted in 1,000 iridescent hues, flit from flower to flower, their delicate dance a testament to the beauty and fragility of life. Their presence adds a magical touch to the already enchanting scenery. High above, a hawk circles lazily, its keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. This majestic bird of prey is a reminder of the valley's rich biodiversity and the delicate balance of its ecosystem. As we reach the summit, the valley stretches out before us in all its glory. A patchwork of fields, forests and villages, all bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The view is a perfect end to a day of exploration, leaving us with memories that will last a lifetime. The Valle de Atlixco, a place where natural beauty and human ingenuity intertwine, is a testament to the enduring power of nature to inspire and rejuvenate. It is a destination that beckons travelers to return time and time again to experience its ever-changing beauty. We journey now to a land where time seems to stand still, where the echoes of ancient civilizations mingle with the whispers of the wind across the desert sands. The Tehuacan-Cuicatlan Valley, a UNESCO-designated biosphere reserve. Here, in this arid yet surprisingly diverse landscape, we witness the remarkable resilience of life. Towering cacti, some reaching heights of over 30 feet, stand as silent sentinels. Their prickly exteriors concealing a surprising secret. Within their fleshy stems, they store vast quantities of water. Hidden amongst its canyons and arroyos are pockets of lush vegetation, fed by underground springs and seasonal streams. This is a land of contrasts, the stark beauty of the desert juxtaposed with the lushness of the hidden oases, the silence of the canyons broken only by the calls of birds. As we explore this ancient landscape, we might stumble upon the ruins of a long-forgotten civilization, crumbling temples and pyramids swallowed by the jungle. The Tehuacan-Cuicatlan Valley, a testament to the enduring power of nature, offers a glimpse into a world both ancient and eternally resilient. Our final destination takes us high into the Cumbres de Maltrata, a mountain range where the air is thin and the clouds seem close enough to touch. The peaks rise majestically, piercing the sky, and the landscape is a canvas of natural beauty. Here, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies a different kind of paradise, a realm of cloud forests and high-altitude meadows, where the flora and fauna thrive in a delicate balance, a world apart from the sun-drenched valleys below. The contrast is stark and beautiful, a testament to nature's diversity. As we ascend into the mountains, the air grows noticeably cooler, the vegetation changing dramatically. Each step takes us deeper into a world where nature reigns supreme. Gone are the cacti and scrubland of the lowlands, replaced by a dense canopy of evergreen oaks, pines and firs. The air is filled with the scent of pine and the sound of rustling leaves. We hike along a winding trail, our boots sinking into the soft moss-covered ground. Each step is cushioned by the rich, spongy earth. The forest is alive with the sound of birdsong, the calls of unseen creatures echoing through the mist. It's a symphony of nature, a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives here. Here and there, shafts of sunlight pierce the dense canopy, illuminating the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. The interplay of light creates a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. As we reach a clearing, the clouds part, revealing a breathtaking vista-rolling hills blanketed in a patchwork of forests and meadows stretching out as far as the eye can see. the Cumbre de Maltrata, a place of quiet beauty and breathtaking vistas where every view is a masterpiece painted by nature, offer a fitting end to our journey through the natural wonders of Puebla. This is a place where the soul finds peace and the heart finds joy. As our journey through Puebla's natural wonders draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for the diversity and beauty of this remarkable region. From the towering volcanoes to the hidden canyons, Puebla has revealed itself to be a tapestry of landscapes, each one more breathtaking than the last. But it is the life that thrives within these landscapes, the countless species of plants and animals that call Puebla home, that truly captures our imagination and reminds us of the importance of preserving these natural treasures for generations to come. Until next time, keep exploring our incredible planet.